Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Ubisoft account on your mobile. Now search for Ubisoft login on Google. Open the first website. Wait for it to load. Tap on create an account. Now here, type your birthday. Continue. Now here, type in your details, email address, then again your email address, your password, and your Ubisoft username. Make sure you read the terms and conditions before accepting. You'll receive a code on your email to confirm your email address. That's it. If this video was helpful, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel.